The Titanic was built in Belfast, Ireland, by the Harland and Wolff shipyard. At 882 feet long and 175 feet tall, it was a marvel of engineering. Its designers claimed it was practically unsinkable, thanks to 16 watertight compartments. Inside, it was a floating palace. First-class passengers enjoyed luxuries like fine dining, a gymnasium, and even a heated swimming pool. Meanwhile, third-class passengers traveled in more modest but still comfortable accommodations. But beneath the opulence lay a critical flaw. The Titanic carried lifeboats for only 1,178 people, just half of the over 2,200 passengers and crew on board. Why? To avoid cluttering the deck and because regulations didn't require more. The Titanic set sail on April 10, 1912, with stops in Cherbourg, France, and Queenstown, Ireland. On board were some of the wealthiest people of the time, along with emigrants seeking a better life in America. The ship began its journey across the Atlantic, aiming to break records for speed and luxury. But beneath the calm seas, danger loomed. A vast field of icebergs awaited. On the night of April 14th, multiple warnings about icebergs were received, but the Titanic pressed on at nearly full speed. At 11:40 p.m., lookout Frederick Fleet spotted an iceberg directly ahead.
Is there anyone there?
Yes, what do you see?
Iceberg, right ahead!
Thank you.
The crew tried to steer away, but it was too late. The starboard side scraped the iceberg, rupturing 5 watertight compartments. The Titanic was doomed.
Iceberg, right ahead!
On the starboard! Starboard! It's gonna hit!
And Captain Edward Smith gave the order to evacuate. Women and children were prioritized, but the evacuation was chaotic. Many lifeboats were launched partially empty.
Steady! 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 Stop! Hold the left side!
For third-class passengers, locked gates and crowded stairways made escape even harder. As the bow sank, the ship broke apart, plunging into the icy Atlantic at 2:20 a.m. on April 15th. The RMS Carpathia arrived hours later, rescuing over 700 survivors. But more than 1,500 lives were lost in one of the deadliest maritime disasters in history. The Titanic's tragedy led to sweeping changes in maritime safety, including mandatory lifeboats and 24-hour radio monitoring. In 1985, the Titanic's wreck was discovered on the ocean floor, over 12,000 feet below the surface. Today, it stands as a haunting reminder of human ambition and our vulnerability against nature.